we're driving is a 1999 Tacoma extended cab 4-wheel drive. Belongs to the customer Nicholas DeFilippis. This is a 5VZ. It is supercharged. Fortunately, he has a 2.3 liter pulley on it, but so he's only running probably 5-6 pounds of boost, I think is what we get. We do have our Elite 750 kit on this, adapter kit, so as you can tell, transmission functions work the same. Everything works great, functionality. So everything in the gauge cluster works correctly. You can see that the blinkers work, headlights work, all that stuff works good. We did put our bigger injectors on it because what we found is that we were running out of injectors at about 5-6 pounds of boost, and it was going lean on us, and our duty cycle is about 120%. So we do have some direct fit, 650cc direct fit plug-in. Everything is dimensionally the same. They actually look exactly like a stock injector, except for they're a different color. They are not a factory injector that has been cut to flow. They're actually a brand new wash injector that is slightly modified externally so they fit the intake manifold. So pretty neat injector. All of our injectors, we try to make sure that they all are dimensionally the same height, diameters, and a factory denso connector. So Nicholas is picking this thing up on Monday. Today, this is Saturday night. Just leaving the shop, ignite the shop. A little bit of drivability. We're climbing this grade right here real quick. You can see that the downshift works just fine with a little bit of throttle. Transmission works just as it does stock. Now the factory computer is still in here because the factory computer is controlling the automatic transmission. It is important to understand that the dash does not come from the factory ECU. There's no CAN bus in this here. The coolant temp sensor comes from the coolant temp sensor on the engine, which is a 2-wire connector. The 2-wire connector feeds the factory ECU. The single-wire connector feeds the dash. The tachometer, that comes from the igniter. Oil pressure lights, the dummy lights and stuff that come on these, those are separate sensors. None of that stuff comes from the computer. So all your functionality works just fine with the Haltech computer, just as it should. Doing a little bit of a night drive here. We'll try to do a day drive in the morning, but on the way to work in the morning is a lot of traffic. So I've been driving this truck as a daily because we've had some issues with it. And we've been fighting with triggering issues. What we ended up doing was he brought the vehicle to us from California. We were going to do a bunch of stuff anyway, like the timing belt and seals, water pump, that kind of thing, and just kind of freshening up the front of the motor. We've been in these motors before, so we know them very well. 4 pounds of boost, 3 pounds of boost. Now full throttle, about 34% throttle, as a matter of fact. Transmission shifts fine. So as we were freshening up the upper end, we went through and he had a factory Toyota sensor, crankshaft sensor, a Denso, and a import direct. So we measured the air gaps between all three, between that and the trigger wheel. We changed the trigger wheel as well. And what we found is that the import direct had a air gap of 28 thousandths between the sensor surface and the trigger wheel surface at about 28 thousandths. The Denso had 30 thousandths, and the factory Toyota actually had 32 or 33 thousandths, something like that. So we shot for the middle, put a Denso in it, and changed the spark plugs. He had some NGK iridiums in it, and we changed those out and put some Denso IK22s. This is the normal spark plug that we put in these, and coincidentally it's the same spark plug I used to race with in my SR20, my 240SX back in the day, and I used to put like 18 pounds of boost to it. So it's a good spark plug, it's a very good heat range, and we can see that everything runs good. So we've been working on some drivability, getting this thing tuned right, the acceleration, the cruising, just like what we're doing right now, the 65 mile an hour, and everything's running great. This truck does have an odometer, I'm sorry, an AEM air fuel gauge on it, but the wideband on it, but it speeds about a half a point rich. So we're going to go past this last light, go down, turn around, come back down the highway, get some speed in this thing a little bit, see if we can get up to about 90, make that full throttle pass. For some of this traffic to clear over here, then we'll turn around and make a full throttle pass back home. Temperature's looking good, 190, 197. The RPM's looking good. The short-term fuel trims are looking real good. There's our opportunity. And we're going to do a dead stop. Right. This boost gauge right here. Here we go. So I might take a degree or two of timing out, but ultimately not bad. This does have 35s on it, it's been re-geared. It's a nice truck. Do some walk-arounds and stuff like that in the daytime and engine-based stuff pretty soon, probably tomorrow. Lake City.